Kleen-rite.
Your reliable supplier for the car wash industry.
Wheels can easily become caked with brake dust, dirt, and other grime. Today, we will show you how to clean aluminum wheels and restore their shine. Detailers typically recommend starting with the least aggressive products first and working your way up to stronger products if needed. We don't want to accidentally strip the coating from the wheels by using a product that is too strong. We are going to start by rinsing the wheels to remove loose debris and soften up the caked-on grime. This will make it easier for the cleaner to work on the stubborn grime. Apply the aluminum wheel cleaner of your choice. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Once the product has begun to work, agitate it with a brush. This will help to loosen up more brake dust and dirt. Make sure you get in between the spokes and other smaller areas of the wheel. This can even include the lug nuts. Rinse off the wheels. Make sure you adhere to the recommended dwell time in the product instructions. That way, the chemical is effective but not drying on the wheel. If you plan to clean your wheel wells, it's a good idea to wait until after this step in case any residue gets on them. Once the wheels have been rinsed off, you need to dry them. Use a dedicated microfiber towel. You don't want to use this towel on the paint. Drying the wheel prevents water spots. Now that the wheels are dry, your job is done, unless you need to clean the rest of the vehicle, or you're going to polish or add a protectant to the wheels. For this video, we covered cleaning the wheels. However, if you want us to include how to polish, sand, or add a protectant, let us know in the comments. You can find links to all the products we used in the description below. Press that like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe to be notified when we release new videos just like this one.
Kleen-rite.